In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your region or country on eBay. Whether you're moving to a new place or simply need your account settings to reflect your current location, updating your eBay region is essential. Let's go through this process step by step to ensure everything goes smoothly. First, you'll want to start by opening your web browser and heading over to ebay.com. This step is important because everything we'll be doing is directly from eBay's official website. Once you're there, log into your account if you haven't done so already. This is crucial because you'll need to access your personal settings. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here you'll find your account settings. Click on this option to proceed. Navigating to your account settings is vital because this is where you'll find the necessary options to change your region or country. After clicking on account settings, you'll be taken to a new page. Look for the section labeled Personal Information. This is typically straightforward to find and is where all your personal data, like your address and contact details, is stored. Clicking on it will bring up more detailed options for you to manage. Now, under the Personal Info section, you'll want to locate the Edit option. Clicking on Edit is the gateway to making any changes to your current settings. Here you can update various aspects of your profile, but today we're focusing on revising your country or region information. Once you've clicked on Edit, you'll be able to see a list of various regions or countries. Scroll through the list and select your desired region or country. This will update your location settings on eBay, ensuring that your experience is tailored to reflect your current geographical needs. Whether you're selecting your new home office in Europe or your summer residence in another part of the world, this will ensure you're in the right marketplace. The final step in this process is to save your changes. Look for the Save button, which is often found towards the bottom of the page. Clicking Save ensures that all the changes you've made are finalized. It's a simple yet critical step that confirms your updates are applied and it avoids any need to repeat this process. And there you have it. With your region or country now updated, you'll be better positioned to receive relevant eBay listings and shipping options aligned with your location. By following these easy steps, you can ensure your eBay account accurately reflects your current whereabouts, helping you enjoy a seamless shopping experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful to you. Stay tuned for more tutorials that make your online experiences more efficient and enjoyable.